Hey everyone, this is AJ again here. Today I was wanting to show you how to change the points on your Bosch distributor for your Volkswagen Beetle. This is going in a 72 Super Beetle. The distributor is Bosch. It does not have the vacuum advance on it. What you're going to need is a new set of points. Now the points need to be German or Mexican points. You're going to need filler gauges to set to 0.016, and you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I've took the distributor out of my Beetle just for video purposes. You don't have to do this. Sometimes it makes it a little easier. It's your preference. But what we're going to do is go ahead and take and unplug the points from your condenser unit, and then undo this screw right here and take it all the way out. Go ahead and take everything out of there. Take your new points, and it's slightly easier if you go ahead and put your screw down in there before you try to put the points down in there, and take and ease your points down there. This can be a little aggravating trying to get this lined up, but just be patient with it and make sure you do not cross thread this screw. Go ahead and screw this down all the way. Just snug it up. Don't tighten it really tight because you're going to have to adjust it in just a minute. So just snug on it. Okay. Once you get that done, then you can take and rotate the distributor until it's all the way up on this bump right here. You see how your gap is open now. Now you want to start to check your gap. Remember, use your 0.016, and we need to tighten that gap up. So to tighten it up, you can see there's a little bump right here and a gap on your points. You can take and put your screwdriver down there and be able to adjust that. Let's check that again. Getting closer. Yeah, tighten it up some more. Check it again. Oh, went over just a little bit, so we're going to have to loosen that back up. To loosen it up, you just do the opposite. That's pretty good right there. You want where it fits down inside of there, touching both sides. Alright, and once you got your gap set, go ahead and tighten the screw up, and then check your gap one more time. I think it moves slightly, so I'm going to loosen this up. and tighten it back down again. Check it. Looks really good. Once you've set your points, take and go ahead and plug the new ones into the condenser unit. Make sure you get your wire down in there. And you set your points. Now after you set your points, you want to time everything just to make sure nothing's changed. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time. See ya.